day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hey YouTube, am I excited or what today? Guess what just came in the mail? Ready for this? Boom. Mechman Elite Series alternator, 370 amp. This baby is gonna pump out some juice, and definitely excited to open this up and get it installed and see how she runs. So without further ado, I'm gonna jump right in and start the unboxing. All right, YouTube, well, here she is unboxed. The Mechman 370 amp Elite Series alternator. This thing is beautiful. It's an absolute piece of art. It's gonna look amazing under the hood. Comes included with some copper terminal lugs for the negative and positive side here. If you guys could feel this in person, it is heavy, heavy duty. I can tell just by looking at it that when this thing's installed, it's gonna absolutely turn and burn. It puts out 200 amps just at idle alone. The current alternator I have on my Hummer puts out probably 200 amps fully floored pedal to the metal. So this thing is definitely going to be keeping my electrical system running safe, up to par, and keeping everything running how it should, let alone providing all the power needed for the additional load of all the electronics and stereo that I do have in the car. So definitely excited to get this thing going. Since I did order from Down for Sound, got a bunch of swag here. Thanks JP for hooking it up again. Literally the best price you can find online. And the shipping, I ordered it Wednesday evening. I got it Friday morning. Logistically, I don't even know how that's possible coming from Vegas to Washington, but hey, I'm glad that it's here. But I just want to throw together this quick unboxing. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification button, and stay tuned as I will be installing it in the next couple days and running some numbers on it as far as how many amps it's actually cranking out on my vehicle and you know what it looks like under the hood. So make sure to stay tuned, guys.